After a database for the motor is defined, various tests can be performed at different time intervals, and the trends of errors occurring in the motor can be analyzed over time. For this purpose, after each round of analysis on the collected data, the trends, error percentages, electrical parameters, and mechanical parameters can be observed. For example, in the trend file, for a motor on which several tests have previously been conducted, error percentages related to air gap, bearings, and other faults such as broken bars or stator-related issues can be sampled over time. If these errors are observed to grow excessively during the measurement period, they can be monitored, and the motor can be taken out of service before it reaches a critical condition. Additionally, the trends of the motor's electrical parameters can also be monitored. If various tests are performed on a motor and those tests are analyzed, this section can be accessed. The desired motor is selected, and as you can observe here, the loading condition, THD, and other electrical parameters are displayed over different sampling periods. By comparing each test with its corresponding time frames, it becomes possible to determine how the motor's condition has changed over time.